Hello everyone, I want to talk to you about loading your Summit stove. So here we've got it here, set at a medium setting, and I've got some cut up oak here. So what I'm going to do is just going to take it. The best way I found for a long burning fire is to make some chunks, so make sure you have dry edges. You can also use twigs. And I'm just going to insert them in here like this. Don't have to be too careful, just got to get them in there. Okay, we've got that mostly full. Doesn't need to be completely full because you want a lot of air spaces, and you can add some in later. So I'm just going to take that, and I would pick my burn site carefully and then just place it on the ground. And if you feel like you got too many, you can take one out, you can move them around, you can do whatever you want to do. But you just want to provide a decent amount of airflow in the middle. Now with that, like that, you just put some shavings in there, fire starter, whatever you need to do, light it, and put small twigs or shavings, tinder on top of that. Let it burn from the top down. And this fire with hardwood has lasted me a very long time, certainly more than 30 minutes in most cases with a larger stove and some hardwood. But everything depends upon the wood and how you're going to burn it and how dry it is. So now if you don't want to do the vertical stack, what you can do very simply, you can take a whole bunch of hardwood or any twigs and do this. Get it in there, fill in the edges like this. You're not going to get as much capacity this way, but it's a little faster and easier. So that works too. Okay. Lastly, you may have some twigs here. Really a simple thing to either break these and stick them in like this, fill it up as completely as you can. And the same thing as before. Very quickly get it as reasonably full as you can. When you're satisfied you've got enough fuel there for whatever it is you're cooking, again, put your fire starter in there, match tinder, and get it started from the top on down. Okay, that's just a couple quick tips for you. Thank you.